Hello everyone. Today, I want to share with you a memorable evening I spent at a special place in Gangnam, Seoul Chef Kim In Bok's restaurant, Gwangpyeong. This restaurant offers a variety of dishes, including Pyongyang naengmyeon, dombi meat, yuko hanwoonie, nanchud madon pork, abalone kimchi, marinated pork ribs, and more. But what made the evening truly special were the chef's signature dishes: seafood mulho and steamed king crabs that we enjoyed in the company of dear friends. 1. Pyongyang naengmyeon, the essence of clean flavors. Pyongyang naengmyeon is a dish known for its refreshing yet deep flavor. The broth here is cleaner and richer compared to typical naengmyeon, and the noodles are thin and chewy, offering a delightful buckwheat taste as they spread in your mouth. The clean and refreshing taste of this naengmyeon, enhanced by Chef Kim In Bok's special recipe, is perfect for cooling down even the hottest summer day. The combination of pickled radish and tender slices of meat adds a subtle, yet delightful flavor to the dish. 2. Dombi meat, juicy and tender perfection. The dombi meat, sourced from Jeju, is tender yet chewy, offering a juicy experience. This traditional Jeju-style dish is prepared in a way that preserves the meat's moisture, making each bite succulent and flavorful. The mild yet rich taste of the dombi meat is elevated by Chef Kim's unique seasoning, creating a savory explosion in every bite. The moment you taste it, the nutty, rich flavor fills your mouth, leaving a pleasant aftertaste. 3. Yuko hanwoonie, a harmonious blend of freshness and nutty flavor. Yuko hanwoonie, made with fresh Korean beef, is both tender and rich in flavor. The beef's natural depth is perfectly complemented by a subtle seasoning that enhances its savory notes. The freshness of the beef is palpable, creating a harmonious balance between its nutty and clean flavors. Topped with fragrant sesame oil and sweet pear slices, each bite offers a delightful blend of nuttiness and sweetness that spreads across your palate. 4. Nanchud madon pork, the peak of flavor. Nanchud madon pork, made with premium Jeju pork, stands out with its rich flavor. The meat is tender yet chewy, with just the right amount of fat to create a perfect balance of nuttiness and mildness. Grilled over charcoal, this pork dish is infused with a smoky aroma that enhances its natural juices and deep flavor. Paired with kimchi, the spicy tang of the kimchi contrasts perfectly with the mildness of the pork, creating a flavor combination that's simply irresistible. 5. Abalone kimchi, an exotic fusion. Abalone kimchi is a unique dish where tender abalone meets spicy kimchi. The chewy, nutty flavor of the abalone pairs perfectly with the crunchy, spicy kimchi, offering a rich texture experience. This combination goes beyond the typical pairing of kimchi and abalone, providing a special culinary journey. The deep, fermented flavor of Chef Kim's kimchi blends seamlessly with the oceanic notes of the abalone, resulting in a truly distinctive taste. 6. Marinated pork ribs, a perfect balance of sweet and savory. The marinated pork ribs are infused with a sweet sauce that penetrates deep into the meat, making each bite a perfect blend of sweetness and savoriness. Grilled over charcoal, the ribs develop a crispy exterior, while remaining juicy and tender on the inside. The rich umami from the marinade pairs perfectly with the pork, creating a dish with a satisfying depth of flavor. 7. Seafood mulho, freshness of the sea in a bowl. Chef Kim In Bok's seafood mulho is a refreshing dish that combines fresh seafood with a sweet and tangy sauce. The cold broth is invigorating, and the fresh seafood maintains its natural briny flavor. The tangy seasoning enhances the umami of the seafood, making this dish a perfect refresher for a hot day. 8. Steamed king crab, soft and sweet delight. Finally, the steamed king crab is a standout with its tender texture and sweet flavor. The crab meat is plump and juicy, and as you take a bite, the rich, nutty flavor fills your mouth. Thanks to Chef Kim's special steaming technique, the crab's natural flavors are preserved and enhanced, making every bite a luxurious experience. This special evening at Gwangyang, filled with delicious dishes and cherished company, was truly memorable. I highly recommend you visit this place to experience the incredible flavors and share a wonderful time with your loved ones. I'll be back with more delicious stories next time. Thank you.